Hi, I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today I want to show you one of my favorite things to do on the Baby Lock Serger. I'm going to start by replacing our lower looper thread with Charlotte's Fusible thread right here. This is a great fusible thread for using on your binding, and it makes it so quick and simple to get that binding attached and then fuse it down on the other side. We're going to start with our binding, and we want to create an end that we can tuck the end in. So this is our binding, and we're going to fold this top corner over so it creates a little triangle. I'm going to go to the serger, and I'm going to serge this down and go probably about 2 inches past that. So we've got that all set up, our points in there, and we're going to serge just a little bit. Once we get there, just serge off the end. And now we're just going to fold over our binding like this, put it back in there, go down about 1 inch, and then we're able to serge all of our binding around the quilt. So I've been serging along the side and I'm almost to a corner. Let's take a look at how you handle those tricky corners. I'm going to come up to about 1/4 inch before the edge, and then I'm going to turn my fabric and serge off the edge. So now that I've serged off this edge, I'm going to treat it just like a normal binding. I'm going to bring this back, give it a little finger press, and then bring it forward. And my corner will be mitered just like when I do a normal binding. Then I'll put it in my machine and I'll serge this other side. Let's take a look at one more corner. Once again, I'm going to come up to about 1/4 inch, turn, and serge off. Here we're going to come up, fold up, finger press, and fold back down. And then we're ready to serge again. I've gone all the way around my quilt and I'm back to where I started. So I'm going to just look at this edge. I'm going to trim it probably about 1 inch past where I would tuck it in. And then I will tuck it and serge all the way down that edge. So tuck it in. And finish serging all along that edge. So we're going to bring it back to take a closer look. This is where I started and then tucked my edge in. So there is my edge right there. Now all I would do is take this over to an iron. On the front of the quilt, I have the fusible thread, and I'm just going to take this over and press it down. And I'm going to line it up right with the edge of that, give it a good press. And then once that's all pressed in place, I'm just going to go over to my sewing machine, or you could do a chain stitch on your serger, and you're going to sew it down so it's a permanent bond on that. And that's how you use fusible thread to attach your binding on the serger.